Dave August Vulture, hello and welcome to another video. Today is December 29th, so Happy New Year guys and Merry Christmas. I've been waiting a long time for this day to come because today me and my family, some of my family, are going to Liverpool to see Liverpool and Wolves in the Premier League, and I decided to record the whole thing. So, here we go. Everywhere we go.
Everywhere we go.
Lads, what are we after getting ourselves into? You're here. There's nothing I fear. So me and Mason have £2 given by my Uncle Dean to play some arcade games. So what are we going to play first, Mason? We only have 2 games, remember? Racing, alright, you pick, because you play both games. I'll just watch it. Me and Mason aren't too sure if he's racing the person ahead of him or if he's just following him. So it turns out he's actually raced them, and somehow Mason's just absolutely taken it over. Oh, there he is again. Go, Mason, go!
I'm going.
Winner, winner?
Second winner.
So after the success of winning in the racing one, Mason is now playing this scary alien shooter game. So this is where I want to live in the future, so I can get away from all the haters. Are you excited?
Oh yeah, yes.
Okay, so we're heading into the ground now, and somehow me and Joanne have been lucky enough to get the cup end, so we're heading in. So Joanne, what's our score predictions?
3-1 Liverpool.
Okay, see, originally I was actually 2-1 Wolves, but I've seen the Liverpool team and Wolves team since, and I'm going for a 4-0 Liverpool win. Like lads, is there anything more beautiful? Is there anything more beautiful? Really strange goal. He's actually thought he scored and then was basically given offside, or handball or something like that. And VAR eventually gave it. Then Wolves scored 1-1 and was given his offside. So VAR came in twice. Football is bad. Back in Liverpool City Centre now. Game is over. Mason, what score was it?
1-0 Liverpool.
And what do you think out of 10?
7.1 out of 10.
James been to a lot of games this season actually. This is his 4th game this season. What do you think of that one?
Good game. Hard
Very
fought game.
hard. Well, who's your man in the match?
Well, we give it the goal scorer, Mane.
I'd say Lallana. And Lallana got taken off as well. But the main thing is, right, my favourite player and Dean's favourite player got on. Big Dick Origi.
Not my favourite player, your favourite.
The best player in the squad. Here's Joanne as well. Carla's here as well. We won't get her on camera because I know she doesn't like it. She's there too. So after we went to the city centre, we kind of just chilled around for a bit.
Went back to Holyhead in the coach where I fell asleep for the whole 2 hours and then slept on the boat on the way home. So that brings us to today, which is now the 30th of December. It's the next day. It's actually the next night. And yeah, the end of the video. Thank you very much. Like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you haven't already, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. Goodbye.